Okay, stop scrolling because what I'm about to tell you will blow your mind. By 2025, the tech world will look completely different, and today we're unpacking the 5 biggest technology trends that will shape your future. Think AI smarter than Einstein, biotech saving lives, and quantum computers straight out of a sci-fi movie. Intrigued? Stick with me because trend number 4 might just leave you speechless. Let's jump right in. All right, let's kick it off with artificial intelligence, or as I like to call it, the brainiac revolution. In 2025, AI isn't just automating tasks anymore. It's becoming our creative partner, personal assistant, and even our problem-solving buddy. Take generative AI, for instance. We've already seen tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney blow up, but next year we're entering a whole new league. Think AI that creates Hollywood-level video content in minutes, or autonomous agents that can plan your vacation, book your flights, and maybe even babysit your kids. Okay, maybe not that last one yet. But here's the big twist. 2025 is all about human-AI collaboration. Forget about robots stealing our jobs. This is about AI enhancing our productivity and creativity. Imagine brainstorming with an AI that not only suggests ideas, but creates full-blown designs or reports in seconds. Sounds like a dream, right? And let's not overlook quantum-powered AI. That's when things get really wild. But hold on to that thought. We'll dive into quantum computing later. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Next up, we're talking about biotech, the science that's literally rewriting the code of life. By 2025, breakthroughs like CRISPR will be mainstream. We're not just curing genetic disorders anymore. We're personalizing treatments to fit your DNA like a custom-tailored suit. Imagine walking into a doctor's office and instead of trial and error treatments, you get a solution designed specifically for you. Say goodbye to one-size-fits-all medicine. This isn't the future, it's happening right now. But wait, there's more. Biotech isn't just saving lives, it's saving the planet. In agriculture, we're seeing disease-resistant crops that can survive crazy weather and reduce the need for pesticides. And get this, lab-grown meat is going mainstream. So your burger cravings fully satisfied without harming the environment or a single cow. Sustainable living never tasted so good. Now let's talk about a trend that impacts all of us, climate tech. The 2000s have been a wake-up call for the planet. And in 2025, the tech world is stepping up in a big way. We're not just talking about solar panels and electric cars anymore. The real buzz is around energy storage breakthroughs. Think batteries that last longer, charge faster, and store renewable energy more efficiently. Picture this. Your home runs on solar power, and when there's extra energy, your neighborhood gets a boost. It's not a dream, it's coming. Then there's carbon capture technology, literally sucking CO2 out of the air. Sounds like sci-fi, right? But these innovations are becoming more scalable and affordable, which means big things for cutting emissions and slowing climate change. And here's why it matters. 2025 could be a make or break year for the planet. The investments we make in climate tech now will define the world we leave for future generations. No pressure, right? Let's shift gears to something a little scarier, cybersecurity. In 2025, cyber attacks are expected to reach an all-time high. And it's not just your personal data at risk anymore. Critical infrastructure is in the crosshairs. We're talking about power grids, healthcare systems, even elections. Imagine waking up to a blackout or hospital shut down due to a cyber attack. It's not just an inconvenience, it's a global threat. But here's the good news. Tech is fighting back. AI-driven security tools are becoming our best defense, detecting and stopping threats before they happen. But there's a catch. Hackers are using AI too. It's a constant cat and mouse game, and 2025 will be the year we see just how high the stakes can get. And finally, let's talk about quantum computing, the ultimate game changer. By 2025, quantum computers could solve problems traditional computers couldn't even touch. Think drug discovery, climate modeling, and logistics optimization happening in minutes. But here's the jaw dropper. Experts predict that quantum computing could revolutionize AI itself, making it faster and more powerful than ever. And then there's Q-Day. The moment quantum computers break today's encryption, your online data totally vulnerable. Don't panic just yet. Researchers are already working on quantum-proof encryption to keep us safe. But one thing's for sure, 2025 will be the year quantum computing steps out of the shadows and into the spotlight. So there you have it, the 5 tech trends shaping our world in 2025. From AI taking creativity to new heights to quantum computers redefining what's possible, the future has never been more exciting. Which trend are you most excited about? Drop a comment below, I'm dying to know. And hey, if this video got you hyped, smash that like button, subscribe for more, and hit the bell so you're the first to know when the future comes knocking. Share this video with a friend who loves tech as much as you do. Let's ride this tech wave together. Peace out.